Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to get Amazon Prime and Prime Video completely free for up to 6 months. First, open Google. Search for Amazon Prime for adults and click on the very first official link. If you are a standard user, you can activate a free 30-day trial right here, giving you free delivery, award-winning TV shows, and exclusive deals. After the trial, it auto-renews at just $15 a month. However, if you are a student or between 18 and 24 years old, click the Young Adult banner. This unlocks a massive 6-month free trial for $0 with 5% cash back and free food delivery. Once those 6 months end, your membership automatically drops to a 50% discount, costing just $7.50 a month. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.